Hello everyone, welcome back to another Crypto Cult video. In today's video, we will be talking about a free testnet airdrop from a project called PLAZA. It's a must-do airdrop since it's free and will not take much of your time. Do try it out. Make sure to hit the like button to support the channel. Subscribe if you're new here. Let's go to the screen and start this airdrop. As usual, we will be starting with the Crypto Cult thread, and it's a PLAZA Finance testnet airdrop. It's free and confirmed rewards are there. There is a very high potential for this airdrop. If you want to know more about PLAZA Finance, you can pause the video and read. I'll just go to the steps. So first step is to go to the testnet.plaza finance. We need to go there, then we need to connect our wallet and request some faucet token. After that, we will be exploring the PLAZA. So let's get started. Click on confirm here, then connect your wallet. I will be using MetaMask here. You can use any EVM wallet you want. I've connected my wallet. It shows green here. Now I will get some testnet tokens. So the token request has been sent and I have received some token. Now I have to go and explore the PLAZA. First step is to go to the earn section, buy and sell to earn 8 points for this. Let's start. Go to the earn section. Let's buy some bond ETH. So as you can see, I already have the balance because of the testnet tokens. Let's swap 0.2 testnet ETH for the bond ETH. I'll click on buy. It will ask me to add base Sepolia since I don't have that network. So it will automatically add it. You don't need to do anything. So I have added the new network. Now it will ask me for confirmation. I'll click on confirm. The transaction is now in progress. So transaction was successful. Now we can come back. Now you can also sell this back and earn some more points. So let's do that. Click on sell and sell your bond ETH back to WS ETH and confirm the transaction. Now we need to go to leverage, buy and sell to earn 8 points for this again. So let's go to leverage, click on buy, and now let's put in 1000 USDC, click on buy again. Again, confirm the transaction, same step, and the transaction is being sent. Now we go back again to the leverage and now we can also sell. We have leverage ETH 1.087. So click on max here and again we will click on withdraw, and that is another step complete. So it was very simple and it's completely free since it's on testnet, plus it's very fast. So I don't see any reason for you to not do this airdrop. Next is the bonus task. So this task you need to do every day. So you will be earning points, and more points you have, higher chance of you to get a good airdrop. So don't miss this. Points will come here. As you can see, I have 16 PLAZA points. I'm just starting out. Now to earn extra point, you can do bonus task. That is, go to the guild page, complete all the tasks. After that, you'll start earning 40% point boost. You can also boost their Discord and point and mint your on-chain badge. So let's go here. I will click on joining the guild. You have to sign in if you don't have an account. You can connect your Telegram also. Now it tells me that I am not eligible because I am not fulfilling some requirements. So requirements are to connect Telegram and connect email. So your profile should be having all of these things connected. So let's first connect our Telegram here. Now you can also mint your guild pin if you want. It will take some gas fees. It's not a mandatory step, but if you have the money, this is how much it will cost, just $1, and it can boost your chances. So I will be taking that risk. If you don't want to take that risk, it's up to you. Transaction was completed and I have the pin now. Now we need to complete all these tasks that are available here. Number one is having the citizen role in the PLAZA Finance server. So just join their Discord channel and get that role. This will give you a 10% points boost. So every point you earn, it will increase by 10%. So I think it's worth doing. So let's do this. Click on verify, connect. Then you can click on roles on the bottom left and see what are the requirements for any kind of role you want. So I have a citizen requirement, that is all verified members of PLAZA are citizens. And after 2 minutes, it will update and you have access. So I can reveal a secret and get a points multiplier. Then we have to be a Twitter follower. So just go and follow PLAZA Finance. Then we need to be an emailer. That means we need to have a verified email address. I already did that. So I can reveal the secret here. Then we need to be a Farcaster follower. So if you have Farcaster, you can do this, and this also you can refresh and it should be verified in around 1 or 2 minutes because Twitter API is a little slow. And that is it for today's video, guys. This is very easy, simple airdrop. There is no issues, no hiccups. Testnet is very fast. You just need to go do 4 swaps per day and it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes once your wallet is set up. So do not miss this airdrop. Please grind it hard because I think this can easily give you $2,000 to $4,000 because not many people are grinding it. All the links will be in the pinned comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
इलेक्शन का टाइम है, सब सोच में गम है, बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अपनी हाई स्पीड में दम है, क्रिप्टो किंग्स रेडी अब नए वॉर रूम है, होने लगी हाइप सबके हाथ में रम है, बिटकॉइन का सॉन्ग है, आए बड़े जोश में, डॉलर कूदे मार इंगम में उसके जोश में, क्रिप्टो की युवा सब है खुशियों की जोश में, बुल रन चलेगा अब तो फुल स्पीड फोर्स में।